Imagine this: you wake up in the middle of a quiet mountain valley. Outside your window, soft sunlight is pouring over the hills. And you're standing inside a motorhome that feels more like a luxury suite than an RV. Everything around you, from the soft-touch ambient lighting to the automatic leveling system under your feet, is designed to make every journey feel effortless, peaceful, and unforgettable. This is the Rapido 8066DF Ultimate line, a luxury motorhome that doesn't just take you places, it makes you fall in love with the journey itself. Today, we're doing the ultimate luxury RV tour, and trust me, the hidden features inside this 8066DF will surprise you. The Rapido 8066DF stands in a class of its own. Known for its French design, premium craftsmanship, and intelligent engineering, this motorhome brings together comfort, technology, and true home-on-wheels luxury. And the model we're reviewing today, the Ultimate line, the highest, most exclusive trim Rapido offers. It's packed with features you don't find in most RVs. So let's begin the tour from the outside. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek, automotive-style front design. It has modern headlights, bold contours, and an aerodynamic profile that makes this RV look stylish and premium. It doesn't look boxy or old-fashioned. It actually looks like a modern luxury vehicle. The alloy wheels add a clean, sporty touch, and the chrome accents give the exterior refined finish. But the real magic begins with something you don't see at first glance: the self-leveling system. With just a button, the motorhome adjusts itself on uneven ground. No blocks, no manual stabilizers, no struggle. Whether you're parked near a lake, at a campsite, or on rough, uneven terrain, the 8066DF balances itself automatically, giving you a perfectly stable living experience. This single feature puts it ahead of most competitors. Moving along the side, you'll find well-designed storage compartments. These are deep, wide, and organized, perfect for camping gear, tools, or luggage. At the rear, you get a large garage compartment, ideal for bicycles, chairs, e-scooters, or even compact adventure equipment. Everything outside is built for durability, insulation, and long-term comfort. Now, let's step inside, because this is where the Rapido 8066DF truly feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by a bright, open-plan living space filled with warm lighting and panoramic windows. Soft-touch fabrics, premium wooden finishes, curved cabinetry, and stainless steel handles combine to give the interior a modern, elegant, and warm character. Starting with the lounge area, you get to captain swivel seats in the front that rotate to complete the living space. There's an L-shaped sofa designed for comfort, making this area perfect for relaxing, watching TV, sharing a meal, or simply unwinding after a long day on the road. The dining table is adjustable and can expand when needed. But look up, because one of the coolest hidden features of the 8066DF is right above your head. With the push of a button, the electric drop-down bed slowly descends from the ceiling. It's smooth, silent, and space-efficient. This allows the RV to comfortably sleep for adults without losing any living space. It's a smart design that travelers absolutely love. Now, moving into the kitchen area, you'll notice it's built like a compact modern home kitchen. It features a large stainless steel sink, a premium 3-burner cooking station with a glass cover, deep drawers, and soft closing cabinets. Everything is arranged ergonomically. The 180-liter fridge-freezer ensures you have enough space for long trips. Next, we move into the split bathroom area. On one side, you have a spacious shower cabin with premium fixtures and good lighting. On the opposite side, there's a toilet and vanity section with a modern sink bowl, mirror cabinet, and extra storage. The smart part, you can close off both sides and convert this entire area into a private bathroom suite. It feels like a small hotel bathroom and gives amazing privacy, especially when traveling with family or friends. Now we stepped into the master bedroom, the heart of comfort. This rear bedroom features a full-size island bed that feels soft, wide, and incredibly relaxing. Warm ambient lighting fills the room, creating a cozy and peaceful atmosphere. There are overhead cabinets, wardrobes on both sides, and plenty of storage everywhere. The bed height is adjustable, and beneath it, you have access to the large garage storage outside. A roof vent above ensures fresh air flows through the room. Standing here, you don't feel like you're inside a motorhome. You feel like you're in a boutique hotel room. And just like the rest of the RV, this area also includes a smart hidden feature, a sliding privacy door that turns the entire bedroom into a private suite. It's perfect for families and couples. Moving to the front cabin area, the driver and passenger seats are premium captain chairs, comfortable for long rides. The dashboard features a touchscreen media system, a multifunction steering wheel, big storage pockets, and wide panoramic visibility. Driving the 8066DF feels stable and confident, especially with its advanced suspension and the self-leveling system that works its magic once you park. Now, let's talk about what makes the 8066DF unique. Compared to other RVs in this class, the Rapido stands out because of its self-leveling system, its luxury hotel-style interior, the electric drop-down bed, the adjustable rear bed, outstanding insulation, and the overall European design and craftsmanship. The Ultimate Line trim adds premium materials and an elegant finish that elevates this RV above many competitors. So now I want to know, what's your favorite part of the Rapido 8066DF? Is it the drop-down bed, the self-leveling system, the hotel-style bedroom, or maybe the kitchen? Let me know in the comments, because I'd love to hear which feature impressed you the most. The Rapido 8066DF Ultimate Line is more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're traveling across the country or simply enjoying weekend escapes, this RV gives you the comfort, luxury, and freedom to live life the way you want. If you enjoyed this luxury RV tour, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed RV reviews and hidden feature breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour.